Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 3D model in SolidWorks software. So you can see I choose this drawing to do the 3D modeling. First I will create this base. Friends, I am requesting you to don't forget to subscribe my channel, friends. Select here extrude, select top plane, here select center rectangle, give the dimension. This is 120 by 80 and height is 12 mm. 120, this is 80. Click OK. Extrude up to 12 mm. Next, you can see there is a 5 flange top side. That dimension from the bottom 85 mm and diameter of the pipe is 48 and 24 mm and length of the pipe is 42 mm. Select surface, sketch, normal, select here circle, give the dimensions, think 45 and 25, from here to bottom 82. And also select midpoint of the circle and select origin point to give vertical constraint. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, extrude. So reverse the direction, give dimension 42 mm. Click OK. Next you can see there is both side pipe support, plate support. For that select same for surface, sketch, normal, select line, give this, select this line and circle, select convert entities, select line and circle, give tangent constraint. Again this side select line and circle, give tangent constraint. Sketch is fully defined. Select trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. Select extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 9 mm. Click OK. Next, one more rib front side. For that, select front plane, sketch, normal, select line, click OK. Finish. Select here rib, thickness, rib thickness is 9 mm, change the dimension 9, click OK. Next you can see there is a plate top side. For that select on reference, take on reference plane, select this surface, So flip the offset, give 21 mm dimension, OK, click OK, select this plane, sketch, select the line, dimension of the line is width is 25 mm and length is 30 mm. And from the center to top 45 mm. Select this and this 45 and select this line and this line, .5. Select this circle, select convert entities, select trim entities, trim this circle, click OK, select extrude, here select mid plane, give the length 30 mm, click OK. Again you can see there is a one cutout top side. For that select top surface, sketch, thickness of the cutout is 3 mm, normal. Here select corner rectangle, select midpoint, select origin point, give horizontal constraint and give the dimension. I think .5. This is also 1.5. Friends, delete this, take the rectangle, so give the dimension 3 mm, select this midpoint, give horizontal constraint, select this line and this line, give collinear, same this side also, select this line and this, give select line, both the lines, collinear, finish sketch, select here extruded cut, here you can select up to surface, bottom select surface. click OK. Next, there is a 1 hole top side. Select surface, sketch, normal. Hole diameter is dia 12, dimension from the top 12, from the side 15. Select circle, create one circle, give the dimension from the top 12 mm. Okay, center is there. Give the diameter 12 mm. Click OK. Select extruded cut. Here you can give through all, or you can give up to surface. Click OK. Next, 2 holes on the bottom, that pitch is 24 by 24 and diameter 12 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select hole, give the dimension 24, from here to here 24, diameter is 12. Next, create one center line. Select this circle, select mirror, mirror about center axis, click OK. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, here select through all, click OK. Next, you can see there is a fillet, that is R20. Select fillet, give the dimension 20 mm, select the edges, click OK. We can hide this plane. You can compare, friends, both the drawings. And also fillet also here is there, I will give there also. Give 6 mm, select the edges, 6. Click OK. Now we can assign the material here. I will go with metal. In the metal I will go with steel. In the steel we can go polished steel or brushed steel. So after that we can assign some color also. So you can see here what color you want, you can assign. So that's it, friend, today's session. I am requesting you to please subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video, and finally save the part. Okay, thank you once again for watching this video, friends.